Hello everybody. I wanted to show you a finished piece that just came out of my workshop. This is a solid cherry chest of drawers with sliding doors at the bottom. The two top drawers have continuous grain pattern. Everything runs on wooden drawer slides, so no screws to get loose. The bottom two doors also have continuous grain and run on wooden drawer slides. These doors come off. You'll notice also that the top has hand-cut dovetails on all four corners. The legs are gently tapered to create some lightness, and the piece is finished in 3 coats of a mixture of tung oil, boiled linseed oil, and mineral spirits. 2 days of drying in between each coat, and a coat of paste wax, mixture of garnet and beeswax on top. I find that this finish gets into the pores and has very limited reaction to changes in humidity or temperature. From the side, you'll see that the case is fairly thin, and again has hand-cut dovetails and the tapered legs on the bottom. The cherry will age a little bit and create some more richness. For handles, I've just cut negative spaces in all the drawers and doors. And if you're interested in this, please go to my website at simonmetzwoodworking.com and contact me if you have any questions. There'll be detailed photographs on the website. Thank you.